Well, for beginners, it's not necessary, because the rituals are always related to tantric practice. So before knowing anything about the sutra, the class 1 or 2, then going to the college doesn't make any sense. So same thing here. So if you want to do a ritual, good ritual thing, then it's very important to go through the sutra level, the class 1 and 2 in Buddhism, and then you feel like I'm ready, then go to this section of the initiations and then tantric, and then do rituals. Then it makes sense. Others, this like you are doing as just entertainment, then there's nothing good for you